Morning all of you. Today I am going to make pizza style omelette. For that, so let's start. First of all, we need to put some butter on the pan. So now the butter has melted. We'll put some vegetables. If you want, then you can put capsicum, olives and more. So now I will put a pinch of salt. Broke 2 eggs and now I will put a pinch of salt. Now mix it well. I think the first side is cooked, so now we'll flip it. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. So now it's time to put the egg batter on the vegetables. Now let's cover it for 2 minutes. Let's see what's happening inside. Okay, now we will put some pizza seasoning. And some black pepper. Now let's cover it for another 2 minutes. So now our omelette is ready. So let's plate it. So our pizza omelette is ready now. Now let's add some pizza sauce. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you.